my butterflies. Today's video is going to be a tutorial of the makeup Christina Aguilera wore in the song Bound to You from Burlesque. And before we get started, I just want to address something. I am no longer going to be posting on Sundays because I volunteer at church. I have to be there by 8 a.m., so I am up at 7 o'clock every Sunday morning, and then I work 2 services. So trying to film after being up since 7 a.m. is not working for me. It's exhausting, quite frankly, so Monday through Saturday is my schedule. Alright, now let's get into this. So first we're going to go in with the Wet n Wild Merry Christmas Charlie Brown eyeshadow palette. And then I'm using the Morphe M4. I have no idea what that is. It's rubbed off so bad. So first we're going to start off with the white because she had a white base. And I have already primed and done everything off. Primed and done my brows off camera. And then we are going to go in with a eyeliner brush, and I'm just going to take the black shadow. Oh. Sorry, boyfriend's texting me. The only thing I don't like about this eyeshadow palette is they put the shade names on the back, and that makes it really confusing. I wish they would just put it on the underneath all of the eyeshadows like every other company on planet Earth. But anyways, we are going to go in with a light pink now. Then next we are going to go in with my e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation in Buff. Now I'm just using my beauty blender from the Ulta Disney World collection. And then next we are going in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Fair Rose. And I'm using the beauty blender I got in my Makeup Revolution advent calendar. Then next we're going in with the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Waterproof Mascara. Then next we are going to go in with the Morphe E12 brush, and I'm using my e.l.f. contour palette in light medium. Now I'm going to grab my Morphe M441 brush, and we are going in with the Gift of Giving Face Quad. And I'm going to take this highlight right here. I'm putting that on my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, and my Cupid's bow. Then we are going in with the same face quad, and I'm going to grab my Morphe E13 brush, and we're going in with the pink blush right here. Then I'm going to go in with my aloe oil infused lip oil from Smoke and Mirrors. Then I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Beetlejuice lipstick in Lydia. Then we are setting this in place with the Stay All Day Blue Light Micro Setting Mist from e.l.f. And that completes this look. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified about everything that happens here on my channel. I hope you all have a beautiful, wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, butterflies!